Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the Kensington SD5800T Docking Station.
A versatile hub designed for professionals seeking robust connectivity without compromising on performance.
Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with the unboxing experience.
The Kensington SD5800T arrives neatly packaged with the essentials: the docking station itself, a power adapter, and a Thunderbolt 4 cable. The minimalist packaging aligns well with its sleek design ethos. Setting it up was straightforward, thanks to clear labeling and graphics that minimize the need for referencing the manual. It's always a plus when setup is hassle-free, right?
Now, let's talk about design.
The SD5800T boasts a professional, understated design that blends seamlessly into any workspace. Whether you prefer it on your desk or tucked away, its unassuming build ensures it doesn't dominate your setup visually. The build quality is solid, with a durable feel that suggests it can handle heavy usage without issues. It's evident Kensington focused on both functionality and aesthetics here.
Moving on to performance, this dock shines in versatility. It supports a wide array of devices from laptops to tablets. Leveraging Thunderbolt 4 and USB-C protocols to deliver high-speed data transfer and charging capabilities. I've tested it with multiple laptops, including MacBook Air and Windows machines. Seamlessly running dual monitors and handling intensive tasks like large file transfers without a hitch. While it lacks DisplayLink support for multi-display setups on M-series Macs, it excels with up to 4K resolution on Windows and other compatible devices, making it a reliable companion for diverse professional needs. Wrapping up, the Kensington SD5800T Docking Station impresses with its blend of functionality and ease of use. It's perfect for users needing extensive connectivity options without the bulk of larger docking stations. Whether you're editing content from SD cards, connecting multiple peripherals, or simply looking for a streamlined desk setup, the SD5800T delivers. Overall, if you're in the market for a reliable docking station that doesn't compromise on quality, the Kensington SD5800T is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our review of the Kensington SD5800T Docking Station. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you next time.